In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Shopify store. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your store is irreversible. Once it's closed, you'll lose access to your admin and your customers won't be able to visit your storefront. So if there's anything you might need later, such as sales reports, customer lists, or product information, it's a good idea to export or download those from your Shopify admin before you start this process. When you're ready, begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Use your regular login page and sign in with the account that owns the store you want to close. Make sure you're on the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. From your Shopify admin dashboard, look to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This is where all of your store's backend options live, including billing, users, and your subscription plan. Inside the settings page, find and click on Plan. This section controls your current Shopify subscription and any billing related to it. Here you'll see details like your current plan type and next billing date. To start the deletion process, look for the option that says Cancel Plan and click it. A pop-up window will appear on your screen asking you to confirm. Click Cancel Plan again in that pop-up to continue. Shopify does this double confirmation to make sure you really intend to close your store and not just click by accident. Next, you'll see a new pop-up with a few important reminders about what happens when you cancel. Take a moment to read through this information carefully. Once you've reviewed it, check the box that says you've reviewed the information above and then click Continue. This tells Shopify you understand what closing your store involves. After that, Shopify will ask you to select a reason for closing your store from a list of options. Choose the one that best fits your situation. This doesn't affect the process, but it helps Shopify understand why merchants are leaving. When you've made your selection, click Continue. Finally, for security purposes, you'll be asked to enter your account password. Type in your password, then click Cancel Plan one last time. Once you do this, your Shopify store will be scheduled for closure and your plan will be canceled. That's all you need to do to permanently delete your Shopify store.